Number 2, simplify the expression, and we have 24 minus 2 times quantity 3 minus 9 squared minus 3 squared. Well, again, we're simplifying the expression, so we have to follow our order of operations, and we're going to go through this one a little quicker. If you didn't watch video number 1, go ahead and take a look at video number 1. We went into a little more explanation of what PEMDAS is, our order of operations. So let's go ahead and dive right in. We know we have to start with P, which stands for parentheses, or any other grouping symbol. In this case, the only grouping symbols I see are the parentheses right here, this 3 minus 9. So we have to evaluate what's inside this set of parentheses first. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have 24 minus 2 times, and now we have to simplify. 3 minus 9 gives us negative 6 squared minus 3 squared. All right, so that takes care of our grouping symbols. Let's move on to E for exponents. Well, I see 2 exponents in our expression, so let's go ahead and take care of those. So we have 24 minus 2 and negative 6 squared. Well, we know a negative times a negative is a positive, and so in this case, negative 6 squared is going to give us a positive 36. And then here we have 3 squared, right? The base is 3. It's not negative 3. And so 3 squared is 9. And then we slap on that negative, so we get minus 9. All right, so our exponents are done. Moving along nicely here. Next, we come to M and D, our multiply and divide. And again, we perform these operations from left to right. So you read from left to right, and whichever you come across first is what you do first. In this case, just looking quickly, I don't see any division at all, so we don't even have to worry about division. But I do see one multiplication here that we're doing, right? We have to distribute that negative 2 through to the 36. So we end up with 24. And again, negative 2 times 36, well, that's minus 72 minus 9. So we've taken care of our multiplication. Last, we have addition and subtraction. And just like multiplication and division, you will do your addition and subtraction from left to right, and whatever comes first when you read from left to right is what you'll perform first. Here we can see that there is no addition, it's all subtraction, so we can go ahead and get rid of that A. And so let's see, well, we have 24 minus 72 minus 9, well, that just gives us a minus 57. And there we have it, number 2, negative 57.